Wastewater pump stations are crucial for efficiently moving wastewater from communities and production facilities to the treatment plant. These stations are commonly found in areas where gravity alone cannot effectively move the wastewater due to terrain, distance, or other physical limitations. Wastewater pump stations consist of pumps, wet wells, valve vaults, electrical control systems, and sometimes backup generators. The process begins when wastewater enters the station's wet well. From there, pumps typically are activated to move the water to the next stage of the system, which may involve further transport or may go all the way to treatment. As with most engineered systems, wastewater pump stations are not one size fits all. At Romtec Utilities, each system is designed to meet the specific site demands of its location. These stations handle diverse flow rates and water types, each ensuring smooth operation for municipalities and industries alike. After Romtec completes the design, manufacturing, and delivery of the system, Romtec technicians oversee construction, installation, startup, and testing and training. Let Romtec Utilities provide its expertise on your next wastewater project. You'll be glad you did.